This is what real-world PDFs look like. Messy text, tables in the middle, and more content below. So how do you extract both the text and the tables using Python? In this video, I'll show you how to extract everything, text and tables, and turn it into clean data you can actually use. And don't worry, if this looks complicated, I'll break it down into 3 simple steps so you can follow along easily. The problem is if you extract only text, you lose table structure. And if you extract only tables, you lose the context. So the trick is to separate them and process the PDF page by page. I got the full code here. Instead of typing this up and making this video very lengthy, I'm going to break it down step by step so you can follow along. So the first step, we install and import libraries. So we install libraries. If you don't already have them, we'll use pdfplumber for table extract and text extraction, pydf2 for simple PDF reading, and Pandas for organizing the data. If you don't already have it, in this case I have it, so I'm going to go to importing my libraries. And we are importing pdfplumber from pydf2, import pd reader, import pandas as pd. Next, we use pdf_path. This points Python to the PDF file you want to analyze. In this case, my PDF file name is messy_mixed_content_report.pdf. And next, we extract all page text with pydf2. This line loads the PDF so you can start reading it page by page. And this line here, we loop through each page so we can extract text from every page instead of just one. Then we can view the head of the data. So we'll run that. And this is the result. Now we have the text from each page stored in a data frame. Page 1, 2, and 3. Now we will print the text. This is a good way to inspect your extraction and make sure that the text is coming through correctly before moving on. Now let's extract the tables. This is where pdfplumber really helps. I loop through every page, detect the tables, and convert each table into its own data frame. I'm also saving the page number and table number. That's very helpful later if you want to reconnect the table back to the page it came from. So with pdfplumber, we use pdfplumber because it's better for detecting tables. And this line finds tables on each page. Next, this line converts each table into a data frame. Now we ran that, and now we have clean, structured table data. After extracting the tables, I combine them into one large data frame. This is helpful when you want to export all tabular data into one CSV file. And this line here, this merges all tables into one data set. Then we will review the head of the data. Next, we clean the table data frame. So I will do a little cleanup. I strip extra spaces from the columns' names, removed empty rows, and reset the index. In real projects, your cleanup may include renaming headers, removing duplicates, filling missing values, or mixing merged cells. This line here removes all empty rows. So we will run this. And here is our clean output. And this one is my favorite step because it gives me a page-by-page summary. I can see how much text was found and how many tables were detected on each page. This is especially useful for messy PDFs because some pages may only have text, some may only have tables, and some may contain both. So now let's export everything. I usually save the text output, the table output, and a page summary. That way I have a structured workflow and I can analyze each part separately. Once running that code, you see on my left side, it saved every single one of those as a CSV file. If your PDF has multiple tables, you can also inspect them one by one like this before combining them. Showing each table, titled Table 1, Table 2, Table 3, and Table 4. This method is much better than trying to treat the whole PDF like one single type of content. If your PDF contains written explanations and tables on the same page, separating them gives you a clearer result and more control. This is extremely helpful for invoice reports, financial PDFs, client statements, operational summaries, and any other business documents. So in this tutorial, we extracted page text, pulled tables separately, converted these tables into a data frame, and exported the data into a CSV file. So if this helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out my other Python and data analytic tutorials. If you haven't seen my first video on extracting tables from PDFs, watch that next. I break down the basics step by step. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.